A stunning new architectural vision is coming to life in Xi'an, China, where a remarkable cultural landmark is being developed in the heart of the Jinha New City Technology Hub. The design, which recently won a prestigious competition, takes its inspiration from the meandering valleys of the Loess Plateau, a natural landscape that surrounds the region. This influence is reflected in the fluid and organic form of the building, which aims to resemble a river, gracefully weaving its way through the city. What makes this structure particularly unique is its bold integration into the urban fabric. It will span across an 8-lane motorway, connecting two halves of the city, both physically and culturally. The cultural center is envisioned as a collection of interconnected volumes, each one thoughtfully arranged to house a wide array of cultural and recreational spaces. These include a grand theater, a modern concert hall, a comprehensive museum, and a contemporary library, all centered around an open public courtyard. This courtyard will serve as a vital community space where people can gather, relax, socialize, or attend open-air performances and events. The entire structure will be wrapped in a shimmering white exterior that reflects light and enhances the illusion of motion, while also giving it a lightweight and ethereal quality. At night, it will be illuminated to become a dazzling feature on the skyline, acting as a beacon of culture and creativity. This innovative design not only reflects the natural beauty of the region, but also sets a new standard for urban integration and public engagement in architecture. MVRDV has recently revealed its innovative proposal for the Taoyuan Museum of Arts in Taiwan, a bold and creative design that secured third place in a prestigious international architectural competition. The museum is to be located in the city of Taoyuan, a rapidly growing urban center situated close to both the capital city, Taipei, and Taiwan's national airport. Over the past few years, Taoyuan has experienced significant development, and this cultural project is envisioned as a key element in shaping the city's identity and reinforcing its cultural foundation. With an expansive footprint of 29,000 square meters, the proposed museum aims to go beyond traditional expectations by serving not only as a space for artistic exhibitions, but also as a public landmark that reflects the aspirations of the local population. MVRDV's design focuses on accessibility, community interaction, and architectural expression, blending bold aesthetics with practical urban integration. The structure is imagined as a gathering place, a symbol of modern creativity, and a cultural heartbeat for Taoyuan. Through dynamic spaces, open galleries, and multifunctional areas, the museum will act as a platform for dialogue between tradition and innovation, art and audience. This proposal illustrates a forward-thinking approach to museum architecture, one that understands the importance of art in urban identity while also pushing boundaries in design, experience, and cultural engagement. Varuna Hotel in Tulum, Mexico, is a breathtaking architectural masterpiece shaped by the creative minds at Porter Newman Arquitectos, working alongside Pakte Tulum and Velis Arquitecto. Inspired by the ancient Hindu deity Varuna, known as the god of water and rain, a guardian of natural balance, the project embodies a deep reverence for nature and its elements. Set on a stunning 6.5-hectare beachfront property, this mixed-use residential and commercial development doesn't just sit within the environment. It blends into it, becoming part of the landscape in a way that feels organic and almost sacred. The vision was never to dominate the surroundings, but rather to work with them, letting nature lead the way in design and execution. The architecture flows effortlessly with the dense jungle vegetation, allowing the greenery to permeate every aspect of the space, transforming it into a living, breathing ecosystem. The buildings don't follow a rigid or forced structure. Instead, they're positioned as though naturally grown from the earth, scattered like stones along a riverbank. Each home, unique in design and size, finds its place in this landscape, as though it always belonged there. Beyond the residences, the hotel features expansive communal spaces that enhance the sense of serenity and connectedness. Amenities such as a fully equipped gym, tranquil yoga room, luxurious spa, relaxed bar and lounge, and professional business and conference areas provide guests with a holistic environment for relaxation, growth, and inner peace. It's a place where reflection and spiritual well-being are just as important as comfort and style. Varuna Hotel isn't just architecture, it's a philosophy, an invitation to rediscover balance between human living and the natural world. Zippy is a power-packed, autonomous bipedal robot developed by Carnegie Mellon University that's redefining what small-scale robotics can achieve. Standing at just 1.5 inches tall, it may be tiny, but it performs with an agility and speed that's nothing short of remarkable. Zippy walks at a rate of 10 leg lengths per second, a speed that, if scaled to human proportions, would be equivalent to sprinting at nearly 19 miles per hour. This level of performance in such a compact form makes Zippy a standout innovation in the field of robotics. But it's not just about speed. Zippy's design enables it to execute highly dynamic movements, such as turning on the spot, skipping, climbing over obstacles like small steps, and navigating uneven or complex terrains. What makes this even more impressive is that it achieves all this with just a single motor at the hip and ingeniously crafted rounded feet, showcasing the sheer efficiency of its engineering. Its minimalist, lightweight design enhances its overall mobility, making it ideal for real-world applications that require access to confined or hazardous spaces. Whether it's search and rescue missions in disaster zones, inspecting tight industrial environments, or conducting scientific research in locations that are difficult or dangerous for humans to reach, Zippy holds massive potential. This robot is a perfect example of how even the smallest innovations can open up enormous possibilities. With its unmatched speed, balance, and adaptability, Zippy is more than just a miniature machine. It's a leap forward in compact robotic engineering. Dubai Healthcare City, envisioned by Kelbet Studio, is a forward-thinking and highly innovative design that reimagines the concept of a medical complex into something far more dynamic, integrated, and future-ready. The plan for Ring Island in Dubai goes beyond traditional architecture, focusing on sustainability, advanced technology, and regional relevance. At the heart of the project lies the intention to create a multifunctional space rooted in healthcare, but extending its purpose to a broader community context. Every aspect of the design process, from initial ideation to the final layout, has been guided by careful consideration of Dubai's geographical characteristics, social needs, and long-term urban development goals. This futuristic approach ensures that the design will remain relevant and responsive to the city's evolving requirements. Transportation and accessibility are designed with a clear emphasis on environmental sustainability and user convenience. The island will be accessed through underwater systems such as electric monorails and eco-friendly vehicles, with several strategically located stations ensuring seamless mobility. What makes this design even more unique is its pedestrian-first philosophy. No cars will be allowed to drive onto the island's surface, as the main entrance is built underground, preserving the island's tranquility and green environment. The architectural form of the island itself, shaped like a crescent, pays tribute to Dubai's cultural and religious heritage. It references iconic regional elements like the Burj Al Arab and the crescent moon, a symbol deeply rooted in Islamic tradition. The use of parametric forms combined with Islamic geometric patterns further enriches the spatial design, especially in the layout grid and elevated structures, creating a powerful blend of modernity and tradition. This ambitious project stands as a testament to how urban planning, architecture, and cultural identity can harmoniously coexist in a single, transformative vision. The Mars Sample Return Mission, a groundbreaking collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency, is one of the most ambitious planetary science projects ever undertaken. Its ultimate goal is to bring actual rock, soil, and atmospheric samples from the Martian surface back to Earth, where they can be studied in advanced laboratories for signs of ancient life and a deeper understanding of Mars's geological history. The mission is structured in multiple highly coordinated phases, It begins with the Perseverance rover, which is already on Mars, carefully collecting and storing selected samples in sealed tubes. In the next stage, a future lander will arrive to retrieve these cached samples and launch them into Martian orbit using a small rocket known as the Mars Ascent Vehicle. Once in orbit, an ESA-built orbiter will intercept the container, secure it, and then begin the journey back to Earth. This campaign represents a technological and logistical marvel, offering an unprecedented opportunity to examine Martian material in ways that no robotic instrument can achieve remotely. However, the mission is not without its hurdles. The estimated cost has surged to around $10 billion, and there are growing concerns about delays, with projections pushing the actual return of samples possibly into the late 2030s. To mitigate these issues, NASA is actively exploring partnerships with private aerospace companies to make the mission more efficient and cost-effective. Despite these challenges, the Mars sample return remains a bold step forward in humanity's quest to understand the red planet and, potentially, our place in the universe. Introducing the Slate Truck, an innovative and affordable electric pickup that's poised to shake up the EV market. Designed by Slate Auto and backed by Jeff Bezos, this unique vehicle is built with practicality and simplicity at its core. Unlike most high-tech electric trucks that come with hefty price tags, the Slate Truck focuses on the essentials and starts at just $20,000 after incentives. Its design is intentionally minimal, featuring manual crank windows, a bare interior with no infotainment system, and an unpainted exterior body that adds to its rugged appeal. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Under the hood, it houses a powerful 201 horsepower electric motor that allows it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 8 seconds. With a driving range of up to 240 miles depending on the battery option, it's more than capable for daily commutes and weekend adventures. One of its most standout features is its modularity. Owners can transform the 2-seat pickup into a 5-seat SUV. The new Brno main station is set to become a landmark in Czech architectural history, following the largest design competition ever held in the country. Chosen from among 46 international submissions, the winning proposal comes from Dutch firms Bentham Crewell Architects and West 8, both recognized for their work on major infrastructure projects such as Rotterdam Central Station. Their vision for Brno is not just about constructing a transportation facility, it's about redefining the urban fabric. The station is designed to serve as a multimodal hub, seamlessly integrating 14 platforms for both high-speed and local trains, alongside a comprehensive public transit network, including trams, city buses, a regional bus terminal with 40 stops, and even a future metro station. Bicycle and car parking facilities are also thoughtfully included, ensuring smooth connectivity across all forms of transit. What sets this design apart is its dual purpose. It functions as a state-of-the-art transport center, while also acting as a catalyst for the development of an entirely new district within the city. The architecture references historic public buildings, maintaining a strong connection to Brno's character, while introducing modern, efficient infrastructure. With an emphasis on public space and urban integration, this station will become more than a point of transit. It will be a new civic heart for Brno, connecting people, neighborhoods, and opportunities for generations to come. SUV using the Delft Hyperloop 7, developed by the talented minds at Delft University of Technology in the Netherlands, represents a groundbreaking step toward the future of ultra-fast, sustainable transportation. This innovative project introduces a new way to travel, one that combines the speed of an aircraft with a dramatically lower environmental impact. The vision is clear: to create a system where passengers can move between cities at over 1,000 kilometers per hour, all while experiencing a ride that is comfortable, silent, and smooth. Travelers would enter the sleek, aerodynamic Hyperloop pod at specially designed stations and take their seats in a relaxing, thoughtfully designed cabin. As the pod accelerates inside a vacuum tube, the absence of air resistance ensures not only remarkable speeds, but also an incredibly quiet journey, free from turbulence or noise. Passengers would be treated to stunning views through wide windows, and the pod would be equipped with amenities like high-speed Wi-Fi and built-in entertainment systems, ensuring connectivity and leisure throughout the trip. The Delft team sees this as more than just a mode of travel. It's a complete rethinking of how we move across regions.